Northeastern is a university that was incorporated in 1898, so relatively old. We have 16,000 undergraduate students, 8,000 grad students. We have approximately 8.1 million square feet of real estate that we support in terms of new construction, rehabilitation, and just operation and maintenance of all of that square footage.
The university has really strived to make it a really attractive and competitive environment for a lot of students. And that's really been demonstrated in the last year, where we received approximately 50,000 applications for about 3,000 positions for undergraduates. So there is a really great demand for the university and a desire to really lead this into a major institution within the country. Our capital construction program really consists of about $150 million in expenditures each year. That is comprised of probably about 130 to 150 projects. Within that, we do a lot of work around the university, everything from new classroom space, updated common areas, athletics facilities, housing, and wet and dry labs. So a lot of the work that we do is really geared to move the university up.
The question, I guess, really is how is eBuilder benefiting people outside of the construction planning and delivery model? We are in the middle of delivering an interdisciplinary science and engineering complex project. And so I think this enables our clients to focus on who are the principal investigators who are going to come into that facility and not be caught up in the nuts and bolts of actually building the project. So difficult to give really qualitative, but anecdotally, the university seems to be happy with how things are going.
And really a major piece of it is taking eBuilder and integrating it with our financial system, because when we look at it, that's probably the one area where we can really gain a lot of great efficiencies. And being able to do that, we really build a truly enterprise system that not only the facilities and campus planning group can benefit from, but it will really be pushed out to the rest of the university to be able to benefit also.